Change control is not the same as change management. While change management focuses on the justification and planning of any changes, change control majors on the verification and approval of actual changes made. Throughout the 20 CIS Controls, it's a security best practice that is constantly referenced. Control of configuration settings, of services and open ports, as well as installed software, goes to maintain a minimized attack surface, eliminating vulnerabilities that could be exploited by an attacker. Likewise, control of user accounts, privileges, and access is a fundamental security best practice for reducing attacker opportunity. Change control is exactly that, controlling change. Without change control, you won't know if changes you wanted were correctly implemented. And from a security standpoint, you have no way of distinguishing between legitimate IT activity and a stealthy cyber attack. This is why, according to the Verizon Data Breach Investigation Report, 56% of breaches take months to discover. So for change control to be truly effective as a breach detection control, it must provide complete visibility of all changes at a forensic level. An edit to a config file? A modified registry value or file attribute? If you're serious about security, all of these changes need to be exposed, analysed, and approved or corrected. The industry term for detailed change control technology is System or File Integrity Monitoring, otherwise known as FIM. The challenge then shifts from not knowing what is going on to dealing with the changes reported. No wonder the terms of change noise and alert fatigue go hand in hand with traditional FIM approaches. If you turn up the volume to the max, you'll need some good noise reduction. NNT change control technology provides accurate and fast, real-time change detection, but with this change noise removed. Every change identified is automatically filtered, analysed, and assessed. Once you cut out the background hiss and pop of regular everyday changes, the occasional note of breach activity, if and when they do appear, will be crystal clear. Change Tracker does this by learning and understanding when changes should be made, what the changes should look like when deployed, and by validating that only whitelisted files have been deployed during patching operation. NNT call this integrated and automated change control strategy Secure Ops. Secure Ops comprises real-time analysis and approval of file changes. NNT Fast Cloud is an accurate to-the-minute file whitelist covering billions of known safe files. Change Tracker Intelligent Plan Change Rules can use this file reputation data to automatically segregate the majority of legitimate patch files as known safe to leave just a tiny minority of unknowns for detailed review. Automated reconciliation of ITSM change requests. Changes are assessed using knowledge of plan change windows and any corresponding change manifest, guaranteeing that authorized changes have been delivered accurately as expected. Integration of ITSM and security functions. The flow of change requests into appropriately focused system integrity monitoring should be seamless, with unplanned change activity fed to the ITSM platform as incidents. And cut out the change noise. Self-learning capabilities that recognize the difference between known good patterns of change and unexpected behavior are a key innovation. By automatically de-emphasizing ongoing business-as-usual activity, such as patching, this puts the remaining and potentially malicious changes right in the spotlight. It's the smartest intelligent change control solution ever created. Want to know more about change control and secure ops? Contact NNT today.